Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you actually when we start speaking English in front of other peoples. So that times when we stuck. Even I am not able to speak English very well while speaking because of hesitation. Today in my video I am going to discussion with you how to improve our hesitations, how to increase our confidence while speaking. Actually, first of all I would like to tell you what is the hesitation, what is the reason behind of hesitation, why are you getting the hesitation. So all things I am going to tell you how to remove, okay, how to get rid, okay. First of all I would like to tell you be clear in your mind what you want to say. And another thing you can use, have the practice is very important for improving our communications things, improving our anything, okay. Without practice we can't do anything, so practice is very important. And you are clear what do you want to say, okay. Actually when you have practice a lot, automatically your confidence will be increased, your hesitation will be removed, okay, automatically, because so that you had practice a lot and you can speak easily in front of other people because you had practice. So practice is very necessary. And next one, don't fear making the mistake. Maximum times all the learner when they try to speak English in front of other people's, in front of public, so that times they stuck because of making the mistake. So I think you should speak directly without hesitation, okay. Don't think any mistake, only try to speak English, okay. Actually people have to say something like this, because you are making the mistake, you are not good. Actually people compare than other person when you try to speak English. I am good, you are not good. People have work to make the fun, to make the mock, anything, okay. So please don't think about any person, only try to speak English. Even native speaker make the mistake, okay. Don't stress in your mind, okay. Don't give the stress in your mind, only try to speak English. And another things, motivate yourself, okay. Motivate yourself. Actually you can do everything, okay. You can learn English. You have passion because you want to be perfect in English, and motivate yourself. I can do it definitely, okay. Motivate yourself. Motivation is very important when we try to learn anything, when we try to speak English in front of other people's and public, okay. Motivate is very important. So another thing I have, be prepared, be calm, be positive, okay. 3 things is very important while speaking English, when we start speaking English in front of other people's, okay. Be positive. I am good, I am speaking correct, I am not wrong, okay. Be positive. I don't care about any person, what do people say, I don't care. Only try to speak, only try to give the best, okay. So please be positive and be calm. We calm when we start speaking in front of other people, in front of public. So that time you should be calm. Okay, and we prepare before talking with other person, before giving the presentations in front of public, in front of people. First of all, you should have the practice and should be prepare. Okay, three things is very important for giving the presentations, for speaking English in front of other peoples. Okay, have a confidence and faith in yourself. Okay, when you try to speak English, so that times you should have a confidence and faith in yourself, because I am good, I am good, I can do anything. Okay, I am best, I can learn English, I can speak English with other person. Okay, so please have a confidence and faith in yourself. And next one, force yourself to do anything. Don't focus other things, only try to speak English, because English speaking is your aim, because speaking English want to learn. Okay, so please don't force anything, only try to speak English. Don't force yourself to do speaking English. Okay, give yourself a time limit. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skill, you don't have any time, so please give yourself a time. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skill, if you decide to learn speaking English, so you should give that time for improving English. Otherwise you can't learn speaking English. Okay, if you don't have any time, so you should give the time. If you have lots of time, so this is a very good for you. Okay, this is a very good for you, so please give that time for improving English. Another thing, train yourself in your mind. What are you thinking? Okay, I think this is a common thing when we started speaking English. So that times I think I used to think in Hindi, then translated, and after that I spoke. But this times I can speak well, but I am not that good, but I try to speak English better. Okay, so train your mind to think in English. Okay, so that's it. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should apply this way. If you want to remove your hesitation, if you want to increase your confidence, so you should apply these things. Okay, these things is very important for improving English. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.